Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are exploring an exciting AI creative platform called Luma Labs.
First, invent the universe.
A powerful solution that helps creators, marketers and designers turn simple ideas into stunning visuals. Before we proceed, a reminder for all my viewers, this video is created for educational and informational purpose only. Features and performance may change over time and viewers should explore the platform personally before making any professional or business decision. In today's digital world, visual content is everything. Brands, creators, and businesses need attractive visuals to stand out. This is where Luma Labs come in. It uses artificial intelligence to transform text ideas into high quality images and creative assets. The platform focuses on speed, creativity, and ease of use, making advanced design technology accessible to everyone. Creating professional visuals usually requires design skills, expensive software, and a lot of time. Luma Labs changes this process completely. It allows users to generate visuals quickly while maintaining professional quality. The platform helps reduce creative barriers, allowing users to focus more on imagination and storytelling instead of technical difficulties. Now I will explain how the platform works. Viewer, the process is simple and smooth. Users start by typing a description or creative idea. The AI system analyzes the input and convert it into visually appealing results. The system understands style, lighting, and composition, helping produce realistic and artistic outputs. The interface is user friendly, allowing beginners to start easily while still offering powerful creative control for advanced users. So here you can check out, you will have to add a keyframe. It may be a start frame, or image and end frame. After entering it, you will have to put the reference and then you can add text prompt. And after it, you can create images, you can create video content. So the user interface is very user friendly. Now I will explain who can benefit from Luma Labs. Viewers, content creators can generate thumbnails, artwork and social media visuals quickly. This helps them maintain consistent and engaging content across platforms. Marketing teams can produce campaigns, visuals, creatives and promotional graphics without depending heavily on large design teams. Professional designers can use Luma Labs as a creative assistant. It helps them explore new concepts, experiment with styles, and speed up workflow. Companies can create branding visuals and marketing assets without investing heavily in expensive tools or resources. Viewers, core features that make it stand out are AI image generation. The platform can create detailed visuals from simple text prompts. It understands artistic direction and produce high quality results. Users can adjust and refine visuals according to their project needs. This gives greater creative freedom and control. Luma Labs allows users to manage and store projects efficiently. This makes content production more structured and more professional. The AI reduces production time significantly. This allows creators and team to produce more content in less time. Viewers, AI creative tools are changing how digital content is produced. Luma Labs is part of this transformation. It allows individuals and businesses to compete in the fast moving digital space by simplifying visual creation. It encourages creativity and innovation. It encourages creativity and innovation across industries like marketing, entertainment, education, and media production. Luma Labs offers flexible access depending on user needs. Some features may be available through free or limited plans, while advanced capabilities may require paid subscriptions. Users should always check the official website for the latest pricing. Here you can check out light plan with 8 US dollar per month with 50 videos, plus plan with 24 US dollar per month with 160 videos, and unlimited with 76 US dollar per month, and for the enterprises the customized plan is available. So here you can also check out a comparative chart of pricing plans and their features. It will be very useful for you to decide which pricing plan is according to your requirement. So in this way you can select a pricing plan that is according to your choice. So viewers, here you can also check out Luma Lab on social media communities like TikTok. Here you can find out videos created by Luma Lab posted on social media communities. Modern creative platforms grow through community support and user feedback. Luma Labs encourages creators to experiment, share ideas, and explore new possibilities. The platform continues to evolve with updates and improvements that enhance user experience and creative potential. You can follow Luma Labs on different social media platforms like X, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and many other platforms. I would like to recommend all my viewers to follow these social media platforms. And viewers, Luma Labs represents a powerful step forward in AI driven creativity. It combines simplicity, speed, and professional quality into one platform. Whether you are a creator searching for inspiration, a marketer building campaigns, or a business improving branding, this tool offers exciting creative possibilities. Viewers, AI is reshaping how visual content is produced, and platforms like this are helping people unlock new creative opportunities in a fast and efficient way. If you enjoyed learning about this innovative platform, make sure to like and share this video to support my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to bringing you more exciting and valuable content very soon.